Hey everyone, it's Brian here from Yerdigginit Metal Detecting. Thanks for joining in today. We're going to kick off this video with a little something that I don't normally do. As a YouTuber, we often get offers to review products, stuff like that. I'm sure you've seen it before. I don't usually do them. I probably delete 99% of the emails. A lot of them aren't even metal detecting related, and I'm not going to force you guys to watch something that's, not really what you're here for. So anyhow, as things go, finally a company came along that had a product that I was actually in the market for myself, a product that I could really use, and they offered to send me one in exchange to doing a review, honest review, and putting a video up about it. So the product it's a boot. It's KalKal boots. These are hunting, working, warm, non-slip, waterproof boots that I could use, say I'm out mudlarking, say I'm out, hunting a farm field that's muddy or whatever. I actually did need a pair of boots and was in the market for it. And they sent me this package here, which we're going to open. And then as soon as we can get out detecting again, I'm going to wear them out in the field and, see how they go. Let's see what we got here. So these boots, they had plain black, plain brown, and a camo. I chose the camo on top. You see it says KalKal up here. This is their logo with the deer. Good hunting boots, they say. Looks like the bottom is all rubberized, contained. Some good tread on there. So first impressions, and I looked at their prices, and they were like in the, say, mid 60s to upper 70s range for different styles and different boots, which comparatively, I saw some at Tractor Supply, like Carhartt ones and other brands, and they were like, started almost $100 more. I've seen like $150 boots, and so this boot under $100 for sure. If the review goes well, you like what you see and you're interested, they did give me a link that I'll put in the end of my video, which you should get a discount if you use my link. So here's the other one. So we're gonna, I appreciate the company for sending me these. I did need some boots. I appreciate you guys for watching and sticking with me. This isn't what I normally do, but hey, free is free, and couldn't pass up this opportunity. So something I actually could use for all those emails that I read and say, nope, not interested. I don't, not reviewing gaming software or candy bars or something non-metal detecting related. This is actually something that I can use and maybe you can use. So we'll see how it goes.
All right, we had some snow last night. It's February 16th. I'm out here in a wooded area to do some metal detecting, test out those boots. I had a little hike in here. They're comfortable. My feet are toasty. So far, so good. I'm probably gonna detect around a little bit, maybe even get in the water a little bit, and see if there's anything in those deposits. See if I stay warm and dry. That's the plan. I'm I'm not sure if the recording will give this justice, but this is a pretty steep hill. It's got snow on top of wet leaves, and I've been detecting around up and down it, and the boots haven't failed me yet. I haven't slipped or anything. They do have some good grip to them. Happy with that. Haven't found much yet. A couple bottle caps. Usually there's a lot of ammo and stuff in the woods here, but I have in the past pulled some goodies. I've gotten some Indian cents, some Barber dimes, some other goodies. So we're gonna detect along, see if we can find something. It's actually not bad out. It's like said 32 degrees, but I'm staying warm. Just keep moving. Beautiful. Listening to the water in the background. I actually have a pretty good signal here. It's between 25, 27 on the Equinox. I don't know. You know, I'm definitely going to dig it. No doubt about that. But I don't get my hopes up too high. There's a lot of bottle caps and stuff around here. But we got a signal. Let's see what we got. Too deep. Stick the pinpointer in there. See what we got. Oh, it's in the hand. It is going to be a coin. Question is it modern or old? And looks like it's going to be just a modern Roosevelt dime out here in the woods. But I'm happy to have something. Okay, we dove in now. I've been walking this, looking for anything that might have been deposited, got stuck between the rocks or anything. I do have a pretty good signal. It looks a little deep, and I'm probably gonna have to move some rocks to get that out, but I'm gonna go for it, see what we can come up with. All right, I dug that target out. I haven't seen it yet, but I know it's out of the hole. It's sitting here in the tailings pile. I'm gonna flip you around. We're gonna find out together. This is where the target was, and flipped a bunch of stuff out and threw it over here. Threw it from there to over here. There's definitely a signal in here now. I see it. I think it's just going to be a bullet. Yep. Well, we did have a target, and it's a bullet. Not unusual for where I'm detecting. Dig a lot of bullets. So, in the pouch with you. I didn't catch it on video, but I did find this old plastic 4-hole button just sitting on a rock. Eyeballed it. Still out here detecting mudlarking in the stream. I'm like right in there. It's in the 30s temperature wise, and I'm perfectly warm, perfectly dry. I just dug this garter clasp down here. Oh. So that's something old. Hey guys, I guess I'm gonna call it a wrap. It was a nice day of detecting. Great to get out in the woods, listening to the stream and all that. The finds weren't crazy today, but I did get that 4-hole plastic button surface find, the garter clasp, got a pocket full of shotgun shells and head stamps, and yeah, we're gonna hit the road. We've done enough, but it was a good day. I did thoroughly test these boots out. I got to say that. I've been walking in this creek, walking in the snow, and my feet are dry. My feet are warm. Everything's, they have good traction. They feel good. So if you're interested, I guess I'll have a link in the description of this video and you can get a discount towards them. The boot company is called KalKal. KalKal is the boot company. And thanks for putting up with me for doing this. I don't do a lot of these things trying to sell goods, but it was a great opportunity. I needed a pair of boots, and nothing wrong with that. Take care, everyone. Okay guys, here's the great deal that KalKal has agreed to give to my subscribers. Go to the description of this video and use the link that takes you to the Amazon store, select a boot and a boot size, and a 25% off coupon will appear. Additionally, there's a 10% discount code that you can use between now and February 29th. So you can use both of those in conjunction with each other. You can get the 25% off and then an additional 10% on top of that. So act now.